Being accused of malpractice is an upsetting event for any professional, and you have the right to be upset by it, but you've got to set that aside for a minute and be calm and act. First of all, stop what you're doing. Don't wait to respond to an allegation that you've committed malpractice. If you've received a letter or lawsuit papers, don't set it aside. Don't put it in a stack to be done later. Stop then and there and read it. The reason is that usually those letters and those lawsuit papers will contain deadlines that you have to act by. And if you don't act by the time of the deadline, very bad things can happen, including the taking of a default judgment against you. If there are dates contained in the letter or lawsuit, write them down. Put them on your calendar and write them down so you can tell your attorney or insurance company. Secondly, call your insurance company. Hopefully you have malpractice insurance, and that's what you bought it for, situations like this. Call them, tell them exactly what has happened, tell them exactly what you've received, and tell them about those deadlines that may be contained in the letter. They need to know those. Don't wait to do this, because if you do wait, later on your insurance company may say, sorry, you've waited too long to tell us about this and we're not going to cover you. Lastly, call your attorney. Whether or not your insurance company provides you an attorney, you may want somebody just to represent you and look out for your interests alone. Sometimes things don't work out exactly the way you want them to work out, and it's good to have somebody looking out for you. And again, remember those deadlines. If you haven't heard from your attorney or your insurance company, by the time those deadlines come, pick up the phone, call them, and ask what's going on. You're in charge of yourself on these. Somebody will be representing you, but you need to look out for yourself.